Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be talking about the color wheel. The color wheel is a circle and is usually separated into 6 equal sections, each one filled with color. Because the color wheel is in a circle, it doesn't really matter which color is on top or which color is on the bottom, but I like to make sure that when I do my color wheel, because it's easier for me to remember the colors in this way, I always think of it as a rainbow. So I start with red, then orange, yellow, green, blue, and I end with purple. So we just went over briefly the colors of the color wheel. Now we're going to break it down into smaller sections, and I'm going to show you the different parts of the color wheel. First things first, we have our primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. And I want you to notice on this color wheel, we have 3 white triangles on the color wheel. These represent the other colors that are not on the color wheel right now. So I want you to look at this, and I want you to remember that with primary colors, they are never touching each other on the color wheel. So if you're making a color wheel and you have red and yellow or red and blue or blue and yellow next to each other, then you might want to rework your color wheel. Next, we have our secondary colors, purple, orange, and green. And you'll notice on this one, just like with the primary colors, the secondary colors are also separated by another color on the color wheel. Next, we have our warm colors. These colors are red, orange, and yellow. And if you look at this picture, you'll also notice that they are one side of the color wheel. They make up half of the color wheel. The other half of the color wheel is our cool colors, purple, blue, and green. Next up, we have our complementary colors. And if you notice on the color wheel, our complementary colors are colors that are directly across from each other. So we have red and green. Next, we have orange and blue. And I know, guys, I'm kind of going through this really quickly, but please feel free to pause the video and make sure that you do understand what I'm trying to show you and where everything is on the color wheel, because it is actually very important for our later projects that we're going to do together. For our last pair of complementary colors, we have purple and yellow. This week, I want you to make a rainbow for your project. So here I am making 4 different types. The first one is the traditional arched rainbow that's made using my watercolor paints. Next, I made a radial symmetry rainbow using my markers. Then I decided to take my colored pencils and just color out all of the colors of the rainbow or color wheel in order. Last, I decided to make a wavy rainbow using my oil pastels. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I cannot wait to see you guys' rainbows, and I hope you learned a lot about the color wheel. Also, this video is the first video in my color theory series, so make sure you stay tuned for all those videos. Are going to be super fun. You're going to learn a lot about color, and color is one of my favorite things, so I'm really excited. Alright guys, until next time, peace, love, art, and stay safe.